Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy St. Patrick's Day. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I know we are extremely close and personal, but I want to show you guys my eyes up close. So this is my left eye completed, and I am doing the right eye for you guys. So to start off, I take my Lorac palette and I use the cream shade right here. I do this in all my looks. I'll take either this palette, which is almost a hip hand on, but I take a cream shade and I put that all over my lids with any eye look that I'm doing. And I just put that all over my lids. I like to use a cream color because it just brightens it up more than just my skin tone color. I just put that everywhere on the lid. So next I am going in with my LAB2 blending brush, and I'm going with my Androgyny palette. This is the only palette that I have that has that matte green in it. Green is really hard to find in a palette. I don't really go for color, so I'm definitely branching out doing this look. So I take the matte green shade right here called Military, and I'm going to put this on my crease. And it's a light green, so I go in twice with this color. And I just blend that all in my crease. Alright, so the next palette that I'm going in with is the Kylie Blue Honey palette. I feel like this palette has greens, not blues, so I'm going to be taking the shade Blue Honey right here in the middle and putting that in my crease to deepen it up. And I'm just going to look at my mirror because there is no mirror in this palette, so I'm putting this in my crease. And it blends out really nicely, but it's definitely green, it's not blue. I'm just putting that all in my crease to deepen up the look. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going in with is coming from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going in with her matte green, and it's called Enchanted. It's the fourth color down here, and I'm taking that in my outer V just to deepen up the look. And I have to use a mirror and another palette because this does not come with a mirror. And I'm just focusing this on my outer V, the outer quarter, and I'm blending it in. Alright, so after I have this, I go back in with my Androgyny palette, and I take that Military shade just to blend all those colors back in together. And I use the same brush just to blend everything in. And I actually can take my Morphe M330 blending brush just to be a little bit more precise, so that way they blend more better. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead onto my lids. And for my lids, I use the shade in my Nubian palette. I use the shade Egypt right here. And I put this shade all over my lids. And I just take my Real Techniques shading brush that I've already used. And just using a mirror and a different palette because it doesn't come with a mirror. And I just put that all over my lids. And this shade right here is super pigmented, so I don't need to use Fix Plus. Most of the times to get a shimmery pop, I do use Fix Plus, but for this, I just go in twice. But this is just one swipe for that shade. It's extremely pigmented. So I'm going to take some more of that shade just to make the shade more vibrant. And tap off the excess. Alright, so now I am going into my inner corners. And I will be using the Lorac Pro Metal palette. And I'm using the shade Clover. And I'm taking this into my inner corners. And just like that. It's like a lighter green, so it makes your eyes just pop. Alright guys, so for my brow bone highlight, I'm going back in with the Nubian palette. And I am taking the shade Zuri, the shade right here, the second shade. And I put that in my brow bone. And the pigment of this color is insane. So. Alright, so lastly, I am doing my under eye color, and I am going in with the Chocolate Gold Bar palette, and I am taking the green shade Money Bags, and I am putting that in my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes and put on my lips, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a very happy St. Patrick's Day. And if you like this tutorial and you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.